Hey guys, good morning. It is 7:40 a.m. This is probably accurate to when I would usually get up, probably usually a little later, but people are doing construction in my neighborhood right now and they keep waking me up at 7 a.m.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Yay! The first thing I would do when I wake up, first try to go back to sleep, but then second, if I can't go back to sleep, I will go on my phone, check Snapchat, watch a couple YouTube videos, catch up on that. But I'm really awake right now, so I don't think I'm gonna do that today. So yeah, let's just get started on the day. Yay. So, first off, I'm going to be yawning the entire morning because that's what I do every day. Second off, the newest part of my morning routine is I got my braces off yesterday. So I have to wash my retainer and wash the retainer case because apparently if I don't, it'll get disgusting. So I need to take it out and make sure that it's clean so I can go eat my breakfast. Breakfast time. Changed my smoothie recipe today and just did strawberries and Greek yogurt and added a little bit of milk to thin it out, and it turned out kind of like ice cream, so that's really nice instead of a smoothie. So I'm just gonna eat ice cream today for breakfast. Literally goals. It's not really as good as it looks. I'm gonna watch some YouTube and I'll get back to you guys when I'm done eating. Okay, now is the time of the morning where I do my acne routine and I brush my teeth and I brush my hair, or if I don't brush my hair, then it just goes back into a messy bun or stays in a messy bun. Yesterday, I just got a Mario Badescu like skincare set because I'm trying to make my skin look good before back to school. This is why I hate my hair, because my bun is literally already falling out and I put it in less than a minute ago. Woo! Okay, I got distracted for a little while going on my phone because that's what I do best. But now I'm about to make my bed and then I'm gonna edit. Right now it is 9:26 a.m. So probably gonna edit till like 10:30 or 11. We'll see how I'm feeling. Okay, so it is currently 11:04. I almost said p.m. It's definitely not 11:04 p.m. It's 11:04 a.m. and I've been editing. I took a quick break and was snapping some of my friends, but I've just been editing since the last time I talked to you guys. But I think I'm gonna end the morning routine here because although morning technically I guess ends at 12 a.m. or is it p.m.? I don't know. I always get that confused. But I'm gonna end it here because I'm gonna start making lunch, so that's not really morning anymore. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I kind of made it vlog style, but just kind of like chill, relax. This isn't like an exciting morning. This is literally just what I do on an average summer day. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe down below, and I love you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!